It's the $39 million question that is now in the hands of a judge here in Circuit Court. Was the Prince George's County Council's transfer of that money from the National Capital Park and Planning Commission budget to the county lawful? The commission says no and went to court, asking a judge to stop it. Manuel Giraldo is a member of the commission.
The money that they're taking, and that's what it is, it's a raid of our budget.
But the county defended its actions in court and argued against the commission's push for a temporary restraining order to stop the transfer, which is set to happen July 1st. The judge declined to make an immediate decision. Opponents of the transfer say the council is taking commission money to fund pet projects and nonprofits, jeopardizing park and planning jobs and services.
These are really important uses of our county funds that go directly to those who need it.
The Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission Retirees Association demanded an investigation of misconduct by unnamed county elected officials and what it calls a pattern of self-dealing that has corrupted the park and planning budget adoption. A letter to the state attorney general and Maryland state prosecutor said that certain unnamed council members are using the project charge process, that's Park and Planning Commission money, to advance their personal and political interests.
We would like to have that investigation to find out why they are using these funds, the $39.3 million, to go to certain organizations without some oversight.
Councilmember Ed Burrows and Council Chair Crystal Oriada have been critical of Park and Planning Commission spending and vigorously defended transferring the money to use for county projects and services through nonprofits.
And it's not their money, it's the people's money.
Two members of council said the process that's in place, which uses grants and strict oversight through park and planning, is being bypassed through the $39 million transfer, so there's no accountability.
There's a lot of ambiguity and uncertainty about these funds.
Councilmember Jolene Ivey said the grant process could be improved instead of being thrown out.
You know, we need to fix that process. We don't need to eliminate it by transferring the money from Park and Planning to what essentially becomes a slush fund for the county council.
The judge said she'd make her decision on the Park and Planning Commission's lawsuit against Prince George's County next Friday, June 26th. In Upper Marlboro, Darcy Spencer, News 4.